In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Uniqlo gift card balance. This process is straightforward and quick, ensuring you always know how much you have left to spend on your favorite Uniqlo items. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other you like. Once your browser is ready, head to the search bar, type in Uniqlo, and hit enter. This is important because it directs you to the official site where you can safely check your balance. Now look through the search results for the official Uniqlo website. It's usually one of the first links you see. Click on that link to open the website. By using the official site, you ensure that your gift card information remains secure. Once on the Uniqlo homepage, scroll down to the bottom. Here you'll find the footer of the page. Look for a link that says gift cards and click on it. This section is dedicated to everything you need to know about Uniqlo gift cards. Next up, you will be directed to the gift card section. Look for the option that says check your card balance and click on it. This step is crucial as it takes you directly to the page where you can check the available balance on your card. Afterward, a new page will open, prompting you to enter your gift card details. You will see fields labeled gift card number and PIN number. Click into each field and enter the numbers as they appear on your physical or digital gift card. This little step ensures that you input the correct details needed to retrieve your balance. With that ready, double-check the numbers you have entered. Accuracy here is key to getting the right balance information. Once you're confident the information is correct, look for the button labeled Check Balance. Click on it. This action sends your request to the system to fetch your current balance. After clicking, you should see your Uniqlo gift card balance displayed on the screen. This final step reassures you of your spending power at Uniqlo. If you follow these steps accurately, you will always be informed about your gift card status, helping you plan your shopping efficiently. And there you have it. You've learned how to check your Uniqlo gift card balance quickly and easily. Remember, keeping track of your balance helps you enjoy a hassle-free shopping experience. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!